I was illegally and unlawfully kept in detention and confinement for 6 months until 8 March 2025 at 10 p.m. when I was dropped in front of the apartment where I live in Mangani State. So my encounter with Wajir County security team, my illegal abduction, detention and confinement in Comecado, and my experience and interaction with my abductors all had the fingerprint, caught me this one, all had the fingerprint and influence of Wajir Governor, His Excellency Ahmed Abdullahi. Everything that transpired between me and my abductors revolved around the state relationship with the Governor Abdullahi. Wajir County budget, which was passed without contribution and input as an opposition member. In conclusion now, with the current spate of extrajudicial killing, illegal abductions, which I am a victim, if anything happened to me from today, my family, my electorate, the people of Wajir County, the people that I represent, and the people of Northern Region, and Kenyans at large, should hold the Governor of Wajir County, His Excellency Ahmed Abdullahi Mohammed, solely liable, responsible, and accountable. Thank you very much. Marka.